Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video there is a very good update coming from TCS and Accenture. So basically there is a new update coming from TCS and Accenture regarding the new hirings that are going on. So if you are following my channel, you already know about the new hirings that are going on from Accenture and TCS, that is for 2023 and 24 batch for Accenture and for 2024 batch only for TCS. So there is a new update we're going to share in this video about the exam dates and what are the other mails they are sending. But before moving on, if you're new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and exam updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So first of all, let's start talking about the Accenture. So because I have already posted earlier the detailed exam and pattern of the Accenture exam, I have tell you first there was going to be one mock exam, and after that there is going to be the actual exam. So the mock exam credentials also and exam mail also they have sent earlier. In my previous video I have also told that, but this time they are also sending directly the exam link, the actual exam link, that is the coding and cognitive assessment. So yes, the both of the exams, coding and cognitive, happens on the same day. Within few minutes they are going to start the coding exam as well. For knowing the details about this, when the cognitive is going to happen, when the coding is going to happen, how many questions are there going to be, what is the times given, so you can check the video. I'll give you in the description box the detailed exam pattern and procedure I have mentioned in that video. But now the update is that they started to send the exam mails, exam links and all, and for 2nd May, 3rd May, 4th May, these all dates are there, and new updates of upcoming dates also coming, that many people are getting new dates for exams as well. So if you got any new date from Accenture, make sure to comment down what is the new date or exam slots you are getting. And Accenture have also started to send the admit cards for exams also. They have given the whole time duration from 4th May to 5th June, like that something, and they have given for each candidate. The dates of start might be different because the exam slots are different. So for some might be 2nd May to 4th 5th June or 3rd June, like that. The duration is different, but basically it is start of May to start of June. And they have started to send admit cards as well, so go and check the admit cards from your mailbox and download it. And those they have also given that bravo, you are eligible for this, and that this type of mail they have sending again. So there are many mails they are sending recently. So take this assessment and take this recruitment very seriously, because this is going to be one of the very huge recruitments by Accenture. They are going to hire in a good amount. And also there is an update from TCS. When people were asking that they did not receive the admit card or anything like that, so how can they give exam and all. So they, I have already said earlier that the TCS exams or any exam, any MNC exam, happens in a phase wise manner. So first phase they have given the admit cards, the exams also happen, second phase also happen, like that. Multiple phases are there, and again they started to send new phases admit cards, and new phases hiring dates, exam dates are also given. So if you have not received your admit card yet, go and check the portal and check if you got your admit card or not. And if you got the mail also, make sure to comment down what is your exam date, and if you need any suggestions or any help, you can go check that video we have posted earlier regarding the TCS NQT exam and what mistakes you should avoid so that you cannot get rejected by TCS. So go and check those video must before going for your exam. And if you have already given your exam, go and check those interview preparation videos, the detailed exam, detailed interview experience, and what are the questions you need to prepare for TCS Digital, Prime and Ninja. All three roles we have made separate videos. Go and check those. I'll give all the videos links in the description box. And if you have any other queries also, make sure to comment down.